What up, YouTube? What's happening, bros? EF bros? So, I haven't made an update or a video on my car in a while. Last time I made the video, it was up in the air and I was still trying to get it to turn on, to stay on, and just working out all the mechanical kinks. The mechanical and electrical kinks. I've done a lot since then. The car runs, the car drives. I took my first drive in the car in 4 years the other day and it was fucking epic. The brakes didn't work. It was noisy as shit. My ride height was all fucked off. Well, I'll show you clips.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Did it run out of gas?
No, it's hitting the crank pulley.
Oh.
Sick, huh? That shit was tight. The crank pulley was hitting the traction bar. So the car would flex because the car's so low and the motor dips so low. And so the traction bar would be right here and then the crank pulley would like rest on it. And cause like a gnarly noise and shut the motor off and all that bullshit. So today I raised the car up a little bit and so far so good. You can't even, I mean, it looks low, but it's not even that low. See? So, anyway, I'm going to do a quick walk around and a brief description on what I've done and what needs to be done. See that hood? I'm going to take all the paint off that motherfucker. What do you think? Ha 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 ha. But first, let's do a epic walk around. So, first and foremost here. So I came across this seat right here. This is a Prelude seat, 93 Prelude seat. I fucking straight up bolted it to the mounting areas, even though I think I fucked off this part right here. But it's straight, and we're good to go. My ignition switch is breaking, but that's another problem. That's another problem for another video. So, this is part of the harness that's taken care of here. And this is the sub harness that I had made to go with the vtec harness provided by Zurich Industries. That's my new vtec plug. That's my service check port. And I'll add, I have the O2 wired right there and down in there. I have to make this look neater, but I just did this the other day to get the car to drive. So, but anyway, I know we're gonna wash it and try and polish it or something. Totally going to that meat though. It sounds great. I was having some vtec problems, but I think I figured them out. vtec was staggering on me. I think it's just because I had shitty gas in the line still. Pulls on me a little bit, but I have to perform the alignment. Wow, this wheel is bent. I don't know what the hell happened. It's like 12 at night. Sometimes. Oh yeah. Sorry, bro. Anyway, where was I? I checked the distributor plug because I was being paranoid about the dizzy. You know what I'm going to work on is trying to make a line for that to get this in a better position because this is unacceptable. Haha. Other than that, you know, we're golden. I don't know what else I could have possibly missed other than my corner lights fucked off. But yeah, stay tuned, fuckos. She's coming alive.
Smoke good, eat good, live good. Smoke good, eat good, live good. Smoke good, eat good, live good. Smoke good, eat good, live good, live good. I used to wanna see the penitentiary way after elementary. Thought it was cool to look the judge in the face when he sentenced me. Since my uncles was institutionalized, my intuition had said I was suited for family ties. My mom is stressing, my daddy tired. I need me a weapon, these niggas ride every